I think it's very important to study the way people on the move are represented, because visual representation eventually shape the way we think about migration issues and our emotion and our reaction to this important global challenge. My name is Alice Massari. I'm Marie Curie Global Research Fellow at the Circuit Migration and Integration at Toronto Metropolitan University and at the University of Copenhagen. My research project, exploring the role of images in migration governance, or VIGO, looks at how images of migration shape the way we think about migration and how that thinking shapes policy. Visual governance is important to study because it shows how images shape the way in which we understand migration issues. One area of my analysis looks at the visual communication of Canadian migration agencies on X, formerly known as Twitter. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada and the Canadian Border Service Agency images are very rarely focused on people on the move. In fact, refugee and asylum seekers are almost completely absent from the visualization on the X accounts of migration agencies. Only the high-skilled migrant families and relatives who are targeted by Canada's economic and family reunification immigration programs are portrayed in the images. When people on the move are represented, they are mostly visualized through stylized images and drawing rather than editorial pictures. The invisibility of refugees is an important omission. The key takeaway is that the visual communication of these agencies portray Canada's migration system as a highly neutral, sterile, and almost stylized and bureaucratic migration process that is free of barriers or complications. The human and emotional toll involved in the Afghanistan and Ukraine refugee crisis, for instance, are completely left aside from the picture.